Now, this is something that I am super excited about. This is my grade 7 book. So much work, so much thought went into creating this book. Years of trying different things, getting suggestions from different brilliant teachers around the country, and here's the book. So I'm going to page through this book so that you can see my thinking and what's gone into this book. I hope you can appreciate it and at least take a look. So I'm just going to open the Word document here. So what I've done here, so as you can see in the contents page, there are a few themes there. Die see en strand, skool, sport, gesondheid, die plaas, die restaurant, die wildtuin. Then there are visual text, which includes cartoons. And then there's the essential vocabulary. And then all the grammar that will take you to the brink of a grade 8 level, whether you're going to a CAPS system or an IEB system or a Cambridge system. I promise you, this book will make it simple. It will get you there. There's a memo for this book so that you can even work through this book yourself. So the very unique feature of this book is this. When we tackle a theme, like here, die see en strand, we level it in 3 levels. There's a level 1 comprehension, which is quite short, it's quite easy, so it's going to take your bottom, your weaker group, and draw them into this theme, holding their hands and drawing them into this theme, giving them confidence that they can, in fact, do Afrikaans. That'll lessen the anxiety. It'll change the whole attitude towards this subject. These little brackets are for them to write the English words into. Okay, and then there are a few questions. Then you move up to level 2. Same theme, slightly longer text. This works so well. This really, really works well. Then level 3, okay, there they can color in a bit for the kids or who finish early, they can identify some objects. Here's level 3. This is grade 7 level, bang on the nail. Okay, it is going to really, really get them prepped for grade 8. And I do the same for all the themes. Here's the skool. They're nice and colorful, they're clean, it's a place for them to write on. There's an activity for the foster kids who finish up early to go and do. They can color a bit. Or you can make them pull out vocab from the pictures. These books allow you so much freedom as a teacher to adjust and move around in the book. It's not too prescriptive. It doesn't tell you you must do this in term 1, you must do this in term 2, or you must do this first, and then it doesn't jump around. It doesn't muddle up comprehensions with rule 3 of validate, and then bring in a little bit of this, and it's all mixed up, and by the end of the day, even the teacher and the parents are all confused. This is systematic, it is systemic, it covers everything, and you as a teacher can page through this thing and plan out your weeks, plan out your term, and it is, in my opinion, and a few teachers who work with this, they love working in this way. It is, I'm not going to say revolutionized is a big word, but it's changed the way we teach the old school way of mixing up everything and having little assessment standards and just filling the book with clutter, and it makes people nervous. It makes me nervous to see millions of little inputs on a piece of paper. Excuse me if it sounds like I'm ranting, but I'm so excited about this book. Level 3, sport. Okay, so sometimes the Word document jumps a bit. PDF, everything is perfect. Nice pictures, colorful, boys will love it. Stuff for boys, stuff for girls, activities for when you're finished. So I hope you understand the leveling of the comprehensions. Okay, that is absolutely critical for pulling up a weaker child and giving him confidence in the subject. There's the plaas, level 2. There's the restaurant, level 1. Look at that lovely picture. So a lot of sort of stuff that just relaxes the brain also a little bit. In the grammar rules, my approach is always, okay, here is some visual texts, which they need to start getting into. There's an advert for fish paste. There's another visual text. There's another visual text. There's the vocab. And then I think most of you will be familiar with the way that I do the grammar sections. Please remember, there's die klanke. I just want to get down. Okay, so what we always do is we do one rule in a block, then we practice that specific rule before moving on to the next rule. And then at the end, we mix everything, and that ends the chapter in a logical way. Okay, so I just want to get to, for example, byvoeglike naamwoorde, stompie, everything is in here, nothing's left out. Voegwoorde, we do group 1, then we practice group 1. Then we do group 2, then we practice group 2. Then we do group 3, then we practice group 3. And then we have a mixed exercise and different ways of asking it at the end. The negative, we practice the first rule. We practice the second rule. We practice the third rule. Explanations are in English because the description of a grammar rule is not the place where you're supposed to learn vocab. Okay, here it's about the comprehension of the fundamental grammar rule. You can learn that in English, it's fine, as long as you know how to write the answer in Afrikaans. Okay, as I said, this will cover caps, it will cover IB and everything. Verlede tyd, there's the rule 1, then they practice rule 1 until they are confident, and when you are happy as a teacher, then you move on to rule 3, and so the book goes. Right at the end, there's some exam practice, which they like. There's also various other features in the book, but I think that gives you enough evidence or enough of an idea of what this book is about. This book is not expensive, it's in full color. You email me at admin@MadeSimpleRange. We sort out your order for 2026. Okay, now you must do it as soon as possible. Get the budget sorted, and I promise you it's not going to be an arm and a leg. If you just want single copies of this, go to Takealot, you can get it there. You cannot buy bulk at Takealot. I'm the person who sends it to Takealot, and they only allow me to send 5 or 10 books at a time, so there's no ways you can buy a bulk. Okay, you've got to get it from me, and I just print on demand with the best, most amazing printers in the country. So that is my story. Please support me, please share this video with colleagues or to people who you think might be interested in this. Thank you so much, and keep an eye on the channel. I'm always posting new stuff there. Oh, by the way, there's also I've got a 3.5 hour video on the full grammar syllabus of grade 7. It's on YouTube. Have a look. That's for free. Just to say thank you for the support. Awesome. We'll chat soon.